I wear Franklin library stuff, and we're going to make Somali tea honoring the Somali culture. And now we're going to Dr. Bakery to pick up some of the ingredients to make this amazing Somali tea. So let's go. This is Dr. Bakery and Grocery at Lake Street, Minneapolis, Minnesota. We are planning to get our spices over here. We're looking for black tea. There are different black teas out here, and loose leaf, and we prefer the tea bags. And the spices we will need, and cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. And you can buy them separately or together. We use this tool called kal iyo moye to crush the spices before, or you can use grinder and to make your tea. Okay, welcome to Somali tea tutorial. This is how I make my tea, and you will need this dagayare, hail, qarfo, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. So you have to learn the names. And then lava alen tea bags first, and then sugar, half cup. And this makes like 6 cups. I like to use brown sugar, organic sugar, half cup. First you have to put it. And then this one, you can grind it here or here. I like to give like a quick just like that, not too grind. This is how I like to make my tea. Then I go there, and then I made also this one, and this is optional, special, and I love it. It's ginger, fresh ginger. I wash my hands. I'm gonna do this. So I don't like to wash all the way, so that's enough. But this is gonna make it amazing. And then finally, this is kind of boiling. It's gonna give the flavor. I like to put the tea bags. And since I'm using a kettle, this is how I like to do. So I like to do so that it doesn't go there. If you want to use this one, you can do, sometimes you do a lot. I have here all this, you can put like a lot so that you're ready. Ready to go. And our tea looks like it's ready. We're gonna wait like 2-3 minutes, okay? And then what you need to do, since it has those it has some spices, I like to use this one, or you can use cheesecloth. So I'm gonna use this one. Say we waited 3 minutes, and then this is what I'm gonna do. So here what you can do is you can serve. Of course you have to wait a little bit like that, or optional, we like sometimes with milk, and then a little bit about the culture surrounding the tea. And Somali people love to have a tea, no matter what the season is. Tea, it's hot, it's okay, tea. And so you will hear several times tea, and the term Shaah is a Somali tea, like they say Shaah. Tea means Shaah. So you will hear more on Shaah. So if a person, for example, gets tired, they will want to have tea. And if they come from work or if they wake up in the morning, tea. If they want to have a conversation or a meeting, like a casual, oh, you know what, let's have a coffee. It's similar. It's like, let's have a tea. And so there is like a coffee and conversation that we use. And it's similar to Shaah and Shaiko. That means we talk, we chat, and then we have a tea, right? And so tea is a big deal in the Somali culture. If a guest is coming, tea is a must. That's a respect. Shaah in Assamese, you have to make a shaah, and when a guest is coming to you. So the amount of caffeine is something that we need to think about in a coffee. The recipe we're sharing over here, and it's like it serves 6 people, right? 6 cups. And then we're using like 2 tea bags, right? So if you think about the way we serve as a Somali, and it may never be exactly the 6 servings, like, oh, I'm gonna have 1 cup. No, you just put the tea near you. If you are even 2, you keep pouring the cup and keep drinking. So that means maybe that 6 cup may be for 2 people. That's the culture, right? So because of 1 tea bag is like half of coffee and half of the amount of the caffeine that you will find in coffee. So 2 tea bags equals like literally 1 cup of coffee. So drinking more and it doesn't make you hyper kind of. So the other thing, special thing that I want to mention is that I love and then I find it special is the aroma. You know, the cardamom, the cloves, the cinnamon, that there is happiness attached to that. So I love that. So finally, try it. We have some kits that we're giving away, and I will encourage you to try and make it and kind of, let us know. And the fun part of it is get a friend or a relative, make a tea, and enjoy your Somali tea.